Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas. In that topic name is angle. What is the topic name, Nana? That is angle. Angle means what, Nana? Two rays. An angle made up of two rays starting from a common end point. An angle is made up of two rays starting from common end point. Okay, so then the angle is formed. See, now we know ray means what, Nana? A line segment which extends only one direction endlessly. Now see here, OA is a ray, yes, and as well as OB, OA and OB, these two are what, Nana? Rays. These two rays, ray OA and ray OB, these two are having a common end point, yes, that is what, O. So there forms an angle. Okay, now here we call O as called what, Nana? O is called as common vertex. We call it as what, Nana? The common vertex to ray OA and ray OB is what, that is O. And as well as OA and OB, OA and OB, these two are called what? Arms. Arms of the angle are sides of the angle AOB. Okay, we call it as what, Nana? OA and OB, these two are called arms or sides of the angle AOB. Now see, an angle divides the plane an angle divides the plane into three parts. Okay, an angle divides the plane. For example, this is a plane. An angle divides it into three parts. One is interior, one is exterior, and one is on the boundary. Okay, so I just want to draw an angle here. This is angle AOB. This is what, Nana? Angle AOB. I'm going to write some points here. XKL, these are the points interior of angle AOB. Yes or no? And inside, the points are inside of angle AOB. Okay, and I'm writing some of the points here. So point Z and point Y. So these two are the points outside, completely outside of angle AOB. So that is we call these are exterior points of angle AOB. Okay, and I'm writing here some of the points on the boundary of angle AOB, and exactly on angle AOB. Now right here, what are the points in the interior of angle AOB? What? That are X, K, L. Okay, na? So these are the points interior of angle AOB. And what are the points exterior and completely outside? What are they? Y, Z, Y, Z. And what are the points on the boundary and exactly on AOB? Point A, point S, point O, point P, point B. Okay, so these are the points on the boundary of angle AOB. So like this, an angle divides the plane into three parts. One is interior, exterior, on the boundary. Okay, now let us go to exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. The first question is given, name the angles. Name the angles vertex, comma, vertex and arms. Vertex and arms of the angles. Okay, name the angles, vertex and arms of the angles from the figure. See now, the given figure is this is the given figure. AC is a line, and BD also line. The line AC and the line BD are intersect at O. There forms what, Nana? 4 angles. How many angles are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 2 lines are intersect each other. Okay, na? Then how many angles are formed? There are 4 angles. Now this is the required table. The first one angle, the next one vertex, and next one arms. Okay, like this the table is given. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So first one, see now, the line AC and line BD are intersected at O. There forms 4 angles. The first angle is what, Nana? Angle AOB. Angle AOB. So in that, what is the common vertex? The common vertex is O only. What are the common arms? OA and OB. These two are common arms. OA and OB. Okay. And what is the second angle? Second angle is angle BOC. Angle BOC. For angle BOC, again O is the common vertex. And what are the arms? Arms are OB and OC. Okay, OB and OC. These are the arms or sides of a angle. Next, third angle, that is angle COD. Angle COD. O is the common vertex. OC and OD. OC and OD. These two are what, Nana? OC and OD. These two are the arms of angle COD. And fourth angle, angle DOA. Angle DOA. O is the common vertex and OD and OA. These two are the arms. Okay. So like this we can write the common vertex and common arms of the angles. So this is the first one answer. And next go for the second question. The question is given, name the angles formed in the figure. Question number 2. Name the angles formed in the figure. Okay, the given figure is like this. Okay, A, B, C, D. So this is a quadrilateral because of it bounded by 4 line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, na? A polygon bounded by 4 line segments means quadrilateral. Okay. So what are the angles, Nana? Clearly, you just start from vertex D. Angles from the figure. Angles from the adjacent figure. Angles from the adjacent figure. What are they? Angle DAB or simply angle A. Again you start from A. Angle ABC or simply that is angle B. Again you start from B. Angle BCD or simply angle C. Angle CDA. Angle CDA or simply that is angle D. So what are the angles formed in the figure? That is simply angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, or we can call like this: angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Okay, students. Now see the third one. The question is given, mark the points in the figure. Question number 3. The figure is given like this. Okay. DOF. Angle DOF and here given like this. So OE is the bisector of angle DOF and that exactly divides into 2 equal parts. Mark the points in the interior in the figure and satisfies all 3 conditions. We are given some conditions. The first question is given A comma B in the interior. A comma B in the interior of angle DOF. And the second condition is given A comma C in the exterior of angle EOF. And the third one, B on angle DOE. So I am going to mark the points in this figure satisfying all 3 conditions. Okay, what is the first condition? A comma B in the interior of angle DOF. So DOF means the whole angle. Okay, DOF. A comma B must be interior ఉండాలి, అంటే లోపల ఉండాలి. S inside. And A comma C in the exterior of EOF. EOF ki exterior. See here, this is angle EOF. EOF దీనికి exterior ఏముండాలి? A and C. And as well as B on angle DOE. So this is angle DOE. See here, DOE. So I am writing here B. On B, okay na? DOE on DOE, I just mark a pointer, that is B. So clearly now observe, AB interior of DOF. DOF ki the 2 points are interior only, and AC in the exterior of EOF. EOF ki AC are exterior. Clearly B on DOE. B is on DOE. So this is the required answer for satisfying all three conditions. So this is the third question answer. Next, fourth one. Fourth one is given. There are given 4 figures like this, like this. So this is the given figure. So 4 figures are given, in which the following figures angles are formed. Out of 4 figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, ఈ 4 figures లో ఎక్కడ angles form అవుతున్నాయి? In first figure angle is formed, and as well as in third figure also angles are formed. Yes. So in second and fourth figures angles are not formed. So first figure angles are formed, in third figure also angles are formed. So this is the required answer for these questions. So thank you.